All right, today we're going to talk about templates in ProPresenter. If you're using templates, great, they can make things a lot easier. If you're not, then hopefully this helps. There's a great YouTube video as well that talks about it, but sometimes you just got to hear it a different way for it to take. All right, so these songs, this song is templated correctly. For Powhatan it is. We want to have 1 to 3 lines. Technically that one needs a little bit of work, but it's generally right. So let's say you get a slide. You can work just one slide. Get one slide the way you want it in the editor up here. Get one slide the way you want it in the editor. So you know how to use editor. If you're watching this video, you probably already do. Once the slide is the way you want it, you right click on the slide and you're going to go to, where is it? I always have to find this again. Template. You're going to go to template, go over, and you're going to go to save selected slide as template. And then it's going to bring up a template name, and you're going to name this template whatever it is. Whatever you want to name it. We already have this one saved, so I'm not going to save it again. So but name your template whatever you want to name it. So you can name it like Riverside Default or Westchester Default or Powhatan. Ours is called the LumaKey. So I'm not going to save this one again. I'm going to hit cancel. But we're going to find a song that is not templated correctly. This song is no longer templated correctly. Once you've saved your template, select the song, and this is really weird. I don't know why they do this. Select your song, any slide, and then you got to click in the gray area. If you don't, it's going to just template one song, but we want to template all of them. Click somewhere in the gray area between the slides. It doesn't even change anything. I know it's a little weird, but select the slide, click in the gray area. That part's important. And then you're going to go up to templates. Drop down, and we have our LumaKey test. And we saved that one earlier. Once you save your template, it'll appear somewhere in this line of templates. A lot of these are presets that are loaded with the program. We're going to go over here to LumaKey test and watch the magic happen. Boom. And it changed your font, it changed the black, it changed the size, it'll change everything. Once you have one slide selected the way you want to, with maybe the proper drop shadow, with the right outline, with the right font size, save that template save that slide as a template like I showed by right clicking and going to templates, and then save that slide as a template. Save it, and then you can go to any song that is not formatted correctly. Doesn't matter, let's find one. There we go. See, not formatted correctly. This one needs a lot more work than just formatting, but it can definitely take a chunk of your work out. Select the slide, click in the gray area. See, if you just click here and you go to apply template, I know you probably believe me, but oh, it did all of them. I've had it not do that anyways. So I'm proving wrong daily, but it applied it to all of it, and this one needs more adjusting anyways. There's some things that are wrong with this song anyways. But it did drop in the font, and it did change the font size, and it did change the backgrounds to black, which is what we want. As we move to, as we're playing around with having some of the things centrally done from graphics, I know Matthew worked on it a little bit this week. You might get songs from us, and you might realize that they're formatted completely wrong. And if you have a template saved, you can change every song pretty quickly to your correct slide template. We did it once here, and I think it maybe took maybe 2 minutes to change 5 songs to the correct format. Because at Powhatan we use 1 to 3 lines only, and I believe at all the other campuses you use 1 to 3 lines, except you use everything center justified. So it'll have the proper lines on each slide, and it's just not in the proper location. We actually have on the other machine for our center screen, we have a center screen template made in that one too, because the two machines run in tandem. So they build the show on this machine, they export the show onto this machine, and then they have to go through and reformat all the songs for center justification. And reformatting it using a template takes maybe 2 minutes to do if you have a template set up. So set your template up for your campus. Just go to a song that you know that's formatted correctly, and right click and save that slide as a template. Name it something clear, and it'll help. It should help you out. If you already know this, great. And there's a video at Renewed Vision or ProPresenter. You can look up the tutorial videos and they go over this too. But if that doesn't make sense to you and this one does, then I hope it helps.